Have you noticed that after 11 pm, suddenly you feel hungry again, even if you had dinner properly? And why acidity becomes worse at night? Why constipation is common when people wake up late? Why diabetes, obesity, PCOS, insomnia, anxiety, fatty liver all are increasing together? And why your body feels fresh during sunrise but mentally dead during Monday morning meetings? Because your body is not just running on calories, it is running on time. Modern science calls this circadian rhythm. Ayurveda explained the same concept thousands of years ago through Dincharya. And honestly, sometimes I feel Ayurveda looked at human biology and said, बेटा नेचर के अगेंस्ट जाएगा तो मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम तो होगा ही. Namaskar, I am Dr. Hitesh Chaudhari, Ayurvedic consultant and metabolic health educator. And on this channel, we simplify Ayurveda with modern science so you can understand your body deeply instead of blindly depending on medicines forever. And today's topic is extremely fascinating because today we are connecting modern chronobiology with Ayurvedic Dincharya. And once you understand this connection, you will never look at sleep, food timings, sunlight, exercise, or even late night scrolling in the same way again. First, understand this simple thing. Your body is not functioning randomly. Every cell in your body follows timing. Your hormones follow timings. Your digestion follows timings. Your liver follows timings. Even your bowel movement follows timings. This internal 24-hour timing system is called circadian rhythm. Now understand, Sarka means around and Dian means day, meaning approximately 24 hours biological cycle. Now modern science says the master biological clock is present inside the brain in a small structure which is called suprachiasmatic nucleus, which is located in the hypothalamus. And this clock mainly responds to sunlight, darkness, food timings, sleep timings, and physical activity. Now listen carefully. Ayurveda may not have used the term suprachiasmatic nucleus because Acharya Charaka probably didn't have the MRI and neuroscience journals. But Ayurveda absolutely understood biological timings. And that is why Ayurveda talks about Dincharya, Ratricharya, Brahma Muhurta, Agni timings, Dosha Kaal. This is biological rhythm explained in Ayurvedic language. Now let us decode the day scientifically. According to Ayurveda, roughly from 6 am to 10 am is the Kapha dosha dominates. Kapha qualities are heavy, slow, stable, cold. Now what happens if you sleep till 9:30 every day? You wake up feeling heavy. Mind fog, laziness, body stiffness, and then people say, Doctor साहब पता नहीं एनर्जी ही नहीं है. Energy nahi rehti because you woke up during peak kapha dominance. And Ayurveda recommends waking during Brahma Muhurta, which is approximately 90 minutes before sunrise. Now scientifically what happens during early morning? Cortisol naturally rises, brain alertness improves, colon activity increases. Circadian reset happens through sunlight. Morning sunlight entering the eyes helps regulating melatonin and cortisol rhythm, meaning morning sunlight actually improves nighttime sleep. Nature is smarter than most productivity apps. Ayurveda emphasizes mala pravrutti in the morning because colon activity is naturally highest in the early morning. But what do modern humans do? Wake up, open Instagram, watch 4 reels, reply to what unnecessary messages, and then say, Doctor, constipation ho gaya. Your colon is waiting, but your attention is busy watching someone making cheese-loaded Maggie at 7 am. So morning is also ideal for Vyayama, Abhyanga, Ushappana because circulation improves. Lymphatic drainage improves, insulin sensitivity is better, and mentality also. So, exercise in the morning stabilizes dopamine and serotonin rhythm. And that is why people who exercise regularly usually tolerate stress better. Ayurveda understood this through Vyayama and Dincharya. Now comes one of the most important concepts. According to Ayurveda, 10 am to 2 pm is Pitta dominant time, and Pitta is associated with Agni, transformation, metabolism. Now, modern science says digestive enzyme secretion, insulin response, metabolic efficiency, all are stronger during daytime, which means Ayurveda's recommendations of largest meal at lunch is scientifically brilliant. But what do modern people do? Breakfast, coffee, lunch, meetings, dinner, paneer tikka, biryani, dessert, ice cream and guilt. And then next morning, डॉक्टर मेटाबॉलिज्म तो स्लो हो गया. मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो नहीं हुआ. You are forcing midnight shift duty of your pancreas. Now understand something extremely important. Your body has two modes. One is day mode, which is for activity, and one is night mode, which is for repair. After sunset, melatonin secretion gradually starts increasing. Your body temperature starts falling. Nervous system slows down. Body wants darkness, but modern lifestyle says LED लगा दो, Netflix चला लो, और रेटिना को डिस्को बॉल बना दो. Blue light suppresses melatonin. Late night eating disturbs insulin rhythm. And sleeping after 1 am disrupts repair cycle. So according to Ayurveda, this night time is again Pitta dominant internally, meaning deep metabolic activity happens. And this is the time for liver detoxifications, cellular repair, immune balancing, and hormonal regulations. If you are awake during this phase daily, body gradually develops inflammation, insulin resistance, hormonal imbalance, poor recovery, cravings, disturbed hunger, hormones, and then slowly metabolic syndrome starts developing. This is why sleep deprivation is strongly linked with obesity, diabetes, hypertension, fatty liver, PCOS, and depressions. So Dincharya is not old-fashioned. Many people think Dincharya means living like a sage in the forest. No, Ayurveda is practical. Dincharya simply means living in alignment with biological timings. That's it. Even if you cannot follow everything perfectly, small alignments matters. Now let us be practical, and not everyone can wake up at 4 am. Some people are parents, some are doctors, some work night shifts, and some work in IT field. So some people's sleep cycle depends on clients' sittings in the another country. So Ayurveda should not become another source of guilt. Ayurveda is about intelligent adaptations and not the perfection obsessions. Now let me give you practical steps. These are realistic. Number 1 is take morning sunlight within 15 to 20 minutes of waking. Go outside. Even 5 to 10 minutes matter. Morning sunlight is one of the strongest circadian reset tools. Free therapy and no subscription model. No promo code required. Number 2, fix meal timings. Your body loves rhythm. Try keeping meal times consistent and keep dinner lighter than the lunch whenever possible. Your digestive Agni is not equally powerful at midnight. Number 3, sleep before 11 pm. This single habit can improve your hunger hormones, your insulin sensitivity, recovery, moods, cravings, mental clarity, everything. Sometimes the best detoxification therapy is simply sleeping on time. Number 4 is reduce screen light at night. After sunset, reduce excessive bright light. Warm lighting helps. Avoid doom scrolling before sleep, because your brain cannot differentiate between sunlight and your face glowing from Instagram reels at 1:30 am. Number 5, for shift workers, very important. If you do night shifts, maintain consistent sleep timings, use darkness during sleep, keep fixed eating schedules, and avoid random snacking entire night. You prioritize your recovery. Perfect circadian rhythm may not be possible, but damage reduction is possible. Ayurveda and modern science consider same human body. Modern science studies circadian biology. Ayurveda studied Dincharya, Dosha Kaal, Agni, Nidra, and natural rhythms. Language may be different, but the human body is the same. That is why ancient Ayurvedic wisdom still feels so relevant today, because human physiology has not changed at all. Only lifestyle has changed. And honestly, our ancestors probably never imagined humans would eat ice cream at 1 a.m. while watching crime documentaries and calling it self-care. Your body is always trying to heal you, but healing requires rhythm. When your food timing improves, sleep improves. When your sleep improves, hormones improves. When hormones improve, mind becomes more calmer and clear. And when your mind becomes more calmer, health naturally starts returning. Dincharya is not superstition, it is biological intelligence. Ancient wisdom now validated through modern science. If you enjoyed this video, share it with someone who says, Dr. Saab, reports normal hai, but body अच्छी नहीं लगती. And if you want more videos where Ayurveda meets modern science, subscribe to this channel, because understanding your body deeply is the first step towards your true health. Thank you.